Okay, so we have our equation, y equals 200 times 1.4 to the x power. Now Brad has learned that a baby is born approximately 37 weeks after implantation. So we want to figure out when Brad can expect his new sibling to be born. So 37 weeks after implantation. Well, we discovered that implantation happened on March 10th is what we said, 11 days after first doctor's appointment. So we need to go 37 weeks from March 10th. So get out your calendar and start counting, and then come back and check your answer. If you counted 37 weeks from March 10th is November 24th. You could be anywhere, within a couple weeks of that, and that would probably be a safe time for the baby to be born.